making mileage. And here is another important clue. Reason, if you have the right reason for making a decision, it empowers your decision. It makes you strong. The reason is the power behind your decision. And let me give you a possible 3 reasons to do anything. And you can check whether your decision that you're about to make against these 3 reasons and see if they check out. So the first reason, whatever you do needs to relieve stress and aggravation, either from people, from situation, from the company, from yourself, from your spouse, everywhere. Make sure that your decision first does not cause stress, but relieves stress and aggravation. The second powerful reason that can back up your decision is make sure that whatever decision you make improves the services that you give or improves services in whatever you do. It improves things. Remember, I talked about positive. You want to make sure that that decision improves the services into the general life, either in public sector, private sector, improves things, make things a little better. And the third thing, which is equally important, is your decision going to make things a little bit more pleasant to be with? Make sure that it doesn't cause more stress. Now, if it's going to make pleasant things in the long term, be more pleasant in the long term, with the short term a bit of stress, that's acceptable. But if it's stress, don't do it. Remember, your decisions need to make the world a better place, your family a better place, your life a better place, your company a better place. And that's why you make good decisions. You don't want decisions that are counterproductive. And boy, we live in a world where the powers that be make such wrong decisions on so many aspects because they never think according to what they need to think. And mostly what they do is they put themselves in front of everybody else. Don't do that. So I'm giving you 3 powerful reasons to check yourself again and be a very good decision maker and a safe one and one that will go far. Because very few people do these things.